Good morning, students. Welcome you all in today's session, that is of Standard 4th. And today we will cover our lesson number 5. Its name is Advanced Feature of Microsoft Word 2010. Dear students, in our lesson number 4, we already learned that how we can do some formatting in Microsoft Word 2010, right? After that, we will have some more features of MS Word 2010 so that you can do your work very easily and very quickly. Okay, then first command of this lesson is finding the text. Look students, suppose you have a file with you which you typed and it has so many words in it and you want to find any specific word in that file. Then we have two ways. First of all, we have to read each and every word again so that we can find the word which we needed, or we can use find the text command. Okay, so easiest way is to use the command, because if we are using computer, then we need its commands. We have to use its command so that we can save our time. Okay, side by side, I am opening MS Word so that you can understand the concept of it, what I am going to say, going to told you. From the net, I am using one story, The Fox and the Grapes. Okay, very famous story in English. Okay, this is the story and I am going to copy it. Let me paste here. Okay, students. Now you can see the story on the page. And if you want to find out a word that is, let's see, in. Okay, in. Then from where you can find that particular word, let's read the commands. Click on the find button in editing group on the home tab. Okay, let's move. Click on home tab and this is our editing group at the end of the ribbon, and from there we have to click on find button, or you can click on Control F. Look students, when you click on it, automatically one dialog box is added at the left hand side of the document and one navigation bar is open, as you can see in the screen of your book. Look, this is the screen of your book, screenshot of your book, and it is navigation, and the same command we have here. Okay, the navigation pair appear on the left side of the document window. Type the text that you want to find the search document text box at the top of the navigation pane. If the text is found in the document, it will highlight it in yellow and a preview will be displayed in the navigation pane. Okay, let's do it. Suppose we want to do, this is search document, click in it and type the word in. I type the word in. Now you can see at the left hand side, right hand side in the document, wherever it finds the in, it automatically change it into yellow color so that you can find them easily. Okay, first step is this. Another way, or select the advanced find option from the drop down menu to search document text box. The find and replace dialog box will appear as shown in 5.2. Where we have to click advanced find button, advanced find option from the drop down menu of the search document, and after that find and replace. Let's move on. From there, this is our search document area. Click on drop down menu and go on advanced find. Advanced find. Now you can see we have a dialog box, replace, find and replace. From there also you can do this. Let's read more. Click on find button. The search word will be highlighted in the document. Subsequently, clicking on the find next button will highlight the other occurrence of the search text. After finishing the search, Word display a message. Word has finished searching the document. Click on OK. Right? What is it meaning? It's meaning that when you click on find next button, it will find. Look, it is finding here. Again find next, it find here. Again find next, it find in looking. In looking, we have in also. So it is finding in. If you click next, now the message came. The same message is on the screen on your screen. We are finished searching the document. What it means? It means Word is telling us that the search is off. Our search is completed now. Okay, when we have to click on OK. But this is the way in which you can find any word in your document, right? Let's move on. Click on more button if you want to widen your search criteria. Look students, if you want to find more options, then click on more button. Now it will highlight complete options on your screen, right? If you click on find word only, I'm moving it little bit aside. Suppose you are find whole word only, then look, first, second and OK. This time it not search looking in because we've restricted. We told the computer that only find only whole word, means जहां पर भी in हो, you have to search only those words, not जहां पर in बीच में हो, right? So if you want to find correct value, correct word, then we have to click on find whole word only. और ये कहां से आया? ये starting में आता है यहाँ पे, and we have to click on more option. Then you will get this option, right? So I am closing this, and next option is after finding. What is the next option? Is replacing the text. Replacing the text. Look students, why we will find any value? Why? Because we realize that there is a mistake. हम कोई भी word क्यों ढूंढेंगे? सिर्फ देखने के लिए थोड़ी. If you feel that there is a mistake, अगर उसमें कुछ गलती है, then only we will find any word. After that, you can replace it. You can replace the words, wrong words, with the correct one in two ways. Number one, by your typing, or let the computer do this with the command of replace. Now again, go to the document, and this time go on search document button and choose advanced find again. This time the same dialog box will appear, and after that you have to click on replace button. From there you can do this, or I'm telling you another way, or at the home tab in the editing group, you have also replace button. You can directly click on the replace button and do this, do the same. Now find what? In. Okay, replace with, suppose I am changing it with on. अगर मुझे लगता है कि on word is more appropriate for it, right? Then okay, what it will do? First find next. इसने एक बार ढूंढ दिया, देखो इधर कलर कर दिया. Now if you want to change it, yes, replace. Look, मैंने जैसे replace किया, it automatically changed into on, and with it, it finds another letter also. Now there is no need to click on find next. एक बार आपने click कर दिया find next पे, after that there is no need to click on find next button, right beta? Now we already selected in by its own. After that, if you want to change it also, then click on replace button. तब ये in on के हिसाब से change हो जाएगा. And after that, if there is any in the document, then it will search that in. Otherwise, it will show the message. How many replacements the computer already done? Look, students, we are finished searching the document. उसने कहा कि हमने search कर लिया है और change कर लिया है. Look, now I'm closing it, and we know that on this place in was there, and on this place in was there. Then automatically on is changed with in. Okay बेटा, तो इस तरह से आप replace command को use कर सकते हैं. I hope you are getting my point. Now next option is, okay, we also do something. Suppose I am undoing it. मैंने undo कर दिया है, और I will show one more command that replace on, and if you click directly replace all, then it will replace all the in by on. Replace all the in with on. देखो दो जगह मेरे पास in है. Now I am clicking on replace all button. Look what will happen. Replace all. उसने बोला all done. We have 2 replacements. उसने कहा कि हो गया है, और हमने 2 replacements किए. Okay बटन कर दो, इसको close कर दो. Now you will see in only one click you can change all the, or you can replace all the letters in document. देखो ये भी change हो गया और ये भी change हो गया, only with one command. I hope you are getting my point. Now next, now some more interesting commands. Working with shapes. It is very interesting commands beta. With the help of, you can do so many things. Look, for shapes you have to go in insert tab, and from there you can choose shapes. When you click on this button, you will have so many options. There are so many options which you can use. Okay beta, then how you will use it? Choose any shape. Suppose you choose the oval shape. Click on it. One plus mark will come on the place of arrow key, right? Then drag the mouse and release the mouse. Now you will have one circle, or you want to draw oval, you can do also. Look. Okay, but it is filled with color, and if you want to change its color, or you only want to draw a circle only with lines, then you can do also. Look, shape fill. This is the option. It will automatically come. Look students, when we draw a shape or click on any shape, one more tab automatically added after view. Look, when I click on it, the format tab automatically added. When you click anywhere in the sheet, not on the shape, then it will disappear automatically because there is no need of that tab. But when we click on it, it will automatically come, right? Now fill shape, shape fill. If you don't want to fill any shape, okay, choose no fill. If you want to change the color of the outline tab, outline border, then you can change it. Look, I changed blue color with black. If you want to make it darker, darker border like this, okay, you can choose from where I am doing this, shape or outline, weight, and choose any size of it. Okay, students. Now, if you want to fill it with another color, then click on it. First of all, click on it. It will selected. Go on shape fill and choose color of your choice. Suppose this time I am using yellow color, right? Look. And in the same way, you can use another shape. Insert shape. You can choose another shape here, like this. Drag on the screen. Now fill shape, green color. Suppose you choose, and outline color, you want to choose red, and you want to increase the thickness of it, right? Like this. Okay, students. It was very simple command. With the help of, you can draw any shape. One more shape we are taking. Suppose this time I am using a smiley. Okay, this is our smiley, and you can change the outline, and you can change the color of it. Any color, look, any color you can use, right? In this way, you can do this. When you click on any shape, and if you get this symbol, then you can change. Look, students, if you go there and your mouse arrow will change an arrow without tail. This is tail arrow, this is without tail. Then you can change the shape. Now this is sad face, and this is smile face. This is normal, okay, but it is happy face, smile face, right, student? So you can enlarge its size like this, change the ratio of this size very easily. What is the next command of it? Placing text in shape. Ab in shapes ke andar, if you want to write something, then it is also very easy. Go on the shape, right click on it, and choose add text. I am repeating my command. Select the shape, right click on it, and click on add text. You can see that one cursor will automatically start to blink in the shape. You can enlarge the size of the shape of the cursor, and here you can write. Suppose I am writing, and you can change the color as well. Suppose I am enlarging the size and change color also, hello, like this. You can write anything in the shape. I hope it is quite easy. Let's do with this command also. Add text, and the color of text is suppose we are using yellow, and size we are also increasing. Suppose 28. Suppose again I am typing same letter, hello. Okay, in this way you can write anything in the given shape. I hope you are understanding it very easily, because nothing tough in it. Now let's me move to the next page. Using drawing tool. With the drawing tool, you can draw any shape. Suppose uh, you want to draw this kind of hut, then you can see how many shapes we have in it. Look, one triangle we have, one square we have, uh, one, two, three, one, two rectangle we have, circles we have, right? Let's do it. Let's start. Go on insert, shapes. First of all, triangle. Draw a triangle. Shape. We don't want to fill shape right now. No fill. Color is black. Shape width is slightly dark, right? Below it, look, double click on it. No fill. Look, student, it is the base of it. Now, next box. I copy this file so that I can save my time. Again paste because I have to make a door. We have to fill this shape with yellow color. This is yellow color. Now we need one line. Go on shapes, choose line, line tool. Look beta, change the color of it and change the thickness so that it can match with another data, right? Now this line will come, this line. Again, insert, shape, again shape. Let me check it. Yes, we are doing same. Change color, again shape, again width. One more line, one small line we require now so that we can add this to make it perfect. Black color. Look students, I hope it is almost same. Okay. Now, what is remaining? Two oval shapes with yellow color. Let's do it. Go on insert tab, shape, oval. Change with yellow color and outline with black. Thickness will be same. And you can copy this. Control C for copy, right? Or go on home and copy and paste. You will have another same shape. Look, students, I hope we already succeeded in making the hut accurately. Now the turn of cloud. Let's do it fast. Insert shapes, and we have to go in callouts at the end. Look here, callout, cloud callout. Go there and make a cloud, right? And change the color with brown so that it looks natural cloud. Like this. Okay. And you can make some droplets. As you can see in this picture. As you can see, these drops you can draw with any shape. Go and insert shapes. From there you can find this one. This shape or any shape you can do. Insert. Suppose this time I am using a line only. I am using a line so that we can do it very fast. Draw here and choose the shape. Blue color is okay, but in more lines, you can make copy and paste. Look, students, you can do this. Copy, paste, 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 and with the help of mouse, close it. And put them here. Look, you can make your drawing like this. I hope it will be looking almost same, but you can do it better than it. Okay, you can use your own creativity, right, students? So it is our end of today's session. Okay, students, if you want to ask anything, now I am giving you permission to ask anything. Please ask. Yes, Harshita Sharma, what do you want to ask, beta?
सर कॉपी वाला बताना.
What? Which one, beta? Speak loudly.
रेन की आपने कॉपी की थी सर.
Okay, रेन की मैंने कॉपी की थी. Look students, I take only one line from insert, one line, and draw it like this, and we can make the make it size big also, and go in the format shape. From there you can change dash type. I took this one, and after that I go on home tab, then copy and paste. How many times you want, you can do, and you can select them directly with the help of control button. Select one, then press controls, click on second, click on third, click on four, click on five, or you can collectively move them from there.